glossy ibis, blue-winged teal, and there's Eva with our group on a beautiful morning.
There's a small bird over here. That's a palm warbler by the palm tree. It says something about
Green K.
warblers are fairly small birds, so look for movement. They're only going to be in the size of your hand, very small.
Yeah.
There's some like small shrubbery there. It's kind of flitting around at the end.
Oh. Red-winged blackbird.
That's what I was looking at.
And there's a blue heron. We've been seeing a lot of tricolors. Oh, jeez. There's a sora down there. Oh, it's hard to see. But it's sipping and eating. Oh, what a great day, and lots of birds here at Green K. Lots to see. Wish I had a better camera. Purple gallinule. Eating. Oh, sorry. It's the top of a purple gallinule. Oh, geez, look at the purple gallinule out there. Purple gallinule. Red-winged blackbird.
You got a truthful one there?
Got moorhen.
Yeah, always. Males always.
Yeah, yeah.
Are there any birds that aren't?
You know, in North America, the belted kingfisher is the only species that the...
And there's our green heron. Oh, look at that. There's too many birds.
Because they spray completely around us.
You don't get them, they don't.
No. I've never had.
Wood stork. And tricolor.
Next time I get this set up, they'll be gone. Just learning how to use it.